shake our bodies a little bit. So just shaking the wrists. You can close your eyes if you want. Maybe take some deep breaths. Shake the knees. Shake the torso. Let's take a deep breath in the nose. One breath out the mouth. Nice. 3 more breaths. Deep breath in. One more deep breath in. And a long breath out. Nice. And then come into stillness. And take the feet to at least hip width apart, maybe even a little bit wider. And then just take your hands onto your shoulders and like firmly but lovingly squeezing your arms. And starting to deepen your breath. See if you can breathe all the way down into your belly, into your pelvis. Imagine you can breathe all the way down into the earth. And with those feet that are at least hip width apart, feel them connecting into the earth. And keep deepening your breath. Let your face soften and relax. And repeat after me. I am safe.
I am safe.
I am safe.
I am safe.
I am safe in my body.
I am safe in my body.
I am safe in this moment.
I am safe in this moment.
I am safe to feel how I feel.
I am safe to feel how I feel.
I am safe with myself.
I am safe with myself.
I am safe in my body.
I am safe in my body.
And take a few more deep breaths. Getting all the way down into your belly, your pelvis, your feet, the earth. One more deep breath in. And a long breath out. When you're ready, slowly opening your eyes.